Top of the evening for real. You know what time it is. It's spooky hours right now. Figured I'd do a little late night POV. Gotta do a little drive over to another town. Figured it's a good time to take you guys along with me. Don't ask me why I'm in front of a city bank. I just thought this looked cool for the background. Damn, was I right? That's a thumbnail right there, boy. But anyways, let's get right into it. It's late. I'm trying to go home. So let's get there quickly. I think I got this POV pretty good. Let's get her going. Traction off, that's mandatory. Windy in this motherfucker. Hope you guys could hear it pretty well. There's been a lot of construction on this highway. And if history repeats itself, there's gonna be some tonight, but maybe we'll get lucky. This is where the fuckery begins. I wish I just had miles of straightaway. But I don't. Haven't unlocked that yet. I get like little burbles in 4th gear. You could probably barely hear it, but I hear it. I swear. I think right around this corner there's gonna be a merge into one lane, which kind of freaking sucks, but we'll see. Might just get off the next exit if that's the case. Do some back roads. I hope the angle's good because I only checked it real quick. Yep. Here comes the traffic. Yeah. It's time we exit. Exit the building. You telling me this exit is blocked? No fucking way. No, right? What? I can't get off here? Are you serious? No, I definitely can, right? Oh, I can. I just had to go over here. No, I still can't tell if it's better with the windows down or with the windows up. I really can't tell. I guess it varies the speed I'm going because of the amount of wind. Like if I'm going 30, 40, the exhaust probably sounds really nice. But if I'm going 80, you can't even hear anything because the wind is too loud. I guess I'll have to back test that watching the videos. Kurwa, dawaj, dawaj, dawaj. Come on, go, 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 go. One by one, one by one. I could ever resist a good little tunnel pull. Wasn't expecting that. That was somebody I did not want to see. That wouldn't have been fun. Time it good with all these cars going down longer, might be able to send it here. All right. Top speed on the motherfucker. brakes. I guess one more time for fun. Yeah. Mamma mia. Kurwa mać. Thought that was one of those boys in blue. I keep playing stupid, but this is how I fucking burn through tires. So let me know with this fucking trying to drift shit. Power slide, whatever you want to curl it. Alright, unfortunately, I think that about sums the video up. Hope you guys enjoy riding with me. It's always a pleasure. Definitely going to be dropping a lot more of these. This server is lit. FYI, this is all through MetaMask or MetaQuest, whatever you call it. This is all CGI. Just got a really good computer. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be back soon. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see else, anything like to change. Let me know if you love it. I love making these videos for you guys, and I'll see you soon. Peace!